In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Rubi Network Mining App, an app that claims you can mine Ruby tokens just by tapping a button once a day. But is it really legit, or is it just another fake crypto project? Rubi Network presents itself as a decentralized mining platform where users can earn Ruby coins through cloud mining. The app is simple. Open it once a day, tap Mine, and start earning. It also encourages you to invite others and watch ads to increase your mining rate. But here's where things get suspicious, Mer. The app doesn't provide a clear white paper, there's no official team behind the project, and the Ruby token is not listed on any major exchange. That means you can't withdraw or trade what you've mined so far. Essentially, you're earning points, not real crypto. At least not yet. Many users believe the app is just collecting ad revenue and building a user base with no real blockchain behind it. Others see it as a harmless way to earn, while waiting for a potential launch. So, is it legit? At this point, there's no solid evidence to confirm Rubi Network is a scam, but it's definitely high risk and lacks transparency. If you're going to try it, do it just for fun. But don't share personal data or spend money inside the app. Have you used Rubi Network? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto app reviews.